my toxic trait is that I see something and I'm like, ooh, I can do that. Whether that's true or not, who knows? But I believe it's true. So that's all that matters.
Oh my God, I need people.
Hey y'all, we're back with another video, but this is a little different. It's nothing with dealing with my hair, because clearly, that's why we're in the car headed towards Wally World, because
at the next stop sign.
I saw these pants on Mouse Jones, and I want to say that Cardi and Offset had a whole fit for one of her kids' birthdays, and I was like, ooh, this is hard. But I know it costs a lot of money. I didn't even look it up. I can make it myself. Listen. So, let's figure this out together. Maybe I could wear it for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So, if it comes out well, that'll be my fit. If it doesn't, then we'll figure something out. But this is what we're doing. Okay, hi. So, I have a pair of pants. They're not jeans. They're cargos, like military camouflage pants, which I think would go fire with that pattern on it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna recreate it to fit my aesthetic. But yeah, that's today's task. These are the pants that I'm going to be putting the design on. Pretty cool. I kind of wish they were a little high-waisted, but if I pull it up, then I'm flooded. But if I wear high shoes, then that wouldn't matter as much. So we'll see how I'm feeling. But these are the pants in question. So let's get it. Let's get it. I don't think I need much materials, but I have fabric paint here in white, and then the sponges. I'm gonna use either these to make the circles, and then this plate to put the paint in, and then this, excuse you, pardon, thank you, and then these are the pants. Oh my gosh, excuse you, thank you.
Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly, AK, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me, how you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and girl, I'm fuck the single, how you do that, baby? Shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I did. How you get that shit, you got her man on your hoe. Let me back sit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like plumber, man, gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out, dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
So I think we're on a good path. I'm not actually sure. I don't know. I would have to see it on, but this is what I have so far for the front part. Get it together. Is it good? I'm gonna have to see it on because I'm looking at the pictures and I'm looking at this and there's some discrepancies, but you know, that comes with the territory. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna wait until it dries a little bit. I think this thing says it takes 4 hours to dry. That's fun. I have to do the back. I am back the next day to finish this out. This is the back of the, oh wow. It's stuck on there, but whatever. This is the back of the pant. And we're just gonna finish it out. So I'm not gonna be able to wear it today because it is now 11 something in the morning. And dry time has been insane. But we're gonna do this and then finish it out, okay?
Got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body. Feeling like I wanna rock with your body. And we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you. Cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter.
Now for the grand reveal. I am not very hopeful. Alright, so this is the fit. So we're looking like whole fit. Back pants. Oh, they're not that bad. Like putting it all together, kind of look cute. I paired it with this, matching with the vibe, you know. I don't think it's that bad. What do you think, Stella? Do I look cute? Do I look cute? Answer me. Do we look cute? These are the pants. That's all I can do, you know? That's all I can do. That's all we can do. I did my best. Ooh, probably throw this on to make it make sense with the shoes. Do you think? Do you think? But I really like my pigtails. My little space buns thing. But I don't know. But
too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid.
all in all, I'm not mad at my recreation of these pants. I'm not mad at it at all, actually. But I could have done a lot better. I know in my heart of hearts I could have done a lot better, but that's a problem for another day. As of right now, it's good to go. I'm fine with it. But thanks for joining me along this journey to figure out these pants situation. If you like this, please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe for more random things that could pop up in my mind, because I'm good for having random thoughts of inspiration. But thank you. I appreciate you guys. Have a great Thanksgiving, and bye.
Oh, wow.